Hey lads, TechScanning here. So Google launched its Pixel 8 lineup around a week ago, which means now the brand is fully focused on its famous mid-ranger, the Pixel 8a. So while a few weeks before some leaked hands-on images gave us a look at the Pixel 8a suggesting some design changes, now we have received some high-quality 3D renders giving us a complete tour of the handset. So as we can see, the most noticeable change compared to its predecessor, the Pixel 8a has more rounded corners similar to this year's Pixel flagships. And honestly, I kinda like this as it looks more compact than the Pixel 7a. Word says the Pixel 8a will be slimmer than its predecessor and slightly less tall and wider. So compared to the Pixel 7a, which was 152.4 by 72.9mm with 9mm thickness, the Pixel 8a will be 152.1 by 72.6mm and 8.9mm thickness. We can see Google's iconic camera visor on the back of the handset featuring two camera sensors. Though at the moment we don't know the camera specs, but the Pixel 8a is rumored to retain the same camera hardware housing wide and ultra-wide sensors but with even better optimizations than the Pixel 7a. On the front, unsurprisingly, the handset has a punch-hole style display with bulkier looking bezels on all sides, while the chin bezel is a bit more thicker. It is set to feature a 6.1 inches flat display, which most likely will be an OLED panel. On the bottom, the phone has a USB Type-C and stereo speakers, while the top seems to have an ultra-wideband antenna and earpiece. Anyway, earlier the Pixel 8a was spotted on the Geekbench, revealing the handset will support the same Tensor G3 chipset as the flagship models, however it will be an underclocked variant. Further, it also confirms the handset will have a 8 gigs of RAM. So this is Pixel 8a, let me know what are your thoughts on this design in the comment section below. Google is likely to launch the Pixel 8a alongside its Pixel Fold 2 at its I/O event, which usually happens in May. And of course, I will keep you updated on this. Anyway, we also got some key information on Samsung's top mid-ranger, the Samsung Galaxy A55. If you want to check it out, click here. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.